go back, go back, go back. BJP Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. BJP go back, go back, go back. BJP go back, go back, go back. Tim Kampiang Long go back, go back, go back. Tim Kampiang Long go back, go back, go back. Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. MLA Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. No to must stay, no to must stay. And flag on the team, and flag on the team, and flag on the team. Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. MLA Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. 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 Dr. Mumin BJP MLA Dr. Mumin go back, go back, go back. BJP MLA Dr. Mumin go back, go back. BJP go back, go back, go back. BJP down, 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 down. Tim Kampiang Long down, 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 down. Tim Kampiang Long down, 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 down. Dr. Mumin down, 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 down. Dr. Mumin होशियार, होशियार, होशियार. MLA Dr. Mumin होशियार, होशियार, होशियार. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. MLA Dr.
Ini abangsi nilitum arakat LSC APSLC moi ben nilitum kaca songpon nang ko bang kelelo itu mahot poroi dina jetu duar bakuri
Okay, done. Okay, the statement which has been given by Dr. Nirmal during the mass joining program held in Duarbaguri constituency was very unfortunate, and we, the APHLC Aurakat LEC committee, has strongly condemned about the statement or the remarks that has been given by Dr. Mumin. He said that autonomous state is valueless. There is nothing in the autonomous state, and he further said that instead of autonomous state, the people of Karbi Anglong, they are getting more development from the Chief Minister of Assam. He said that there is no development like medical college or BF college or any other agriculture college in the autonomous state. So Dr. Mumin, he said that instead of autonomous state, the people should ask for development. But it is unacceptable. We, the APHLC, we condemn the statement or the remarks which is made by Dr. Nirmal Mumin. And those who oppose this Article 244A or autonomous state were anti-constitutional and anti-Indian, because Article 244A is mentioning clearly in the Indian Constitution itself. So it is the right of the people, and it is the right to get an autonomous state for the people of Karbi Anglong and Dimahasau. So we will call upon all the people of Karbi Anglong to protest against the statement or the remarks that is given by Dr. Nirmal Mumin. And this is a clear warning to all those anti-autonomous state forces that whoever oppose Article 244A or the creation of autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and Dimahasau, they are anti-Indian, because creation of autonomous state is clearly mentioned in the Indian Constitution itself. And this is a very special provision for the people of Karbi Anglong and Dimahasau, that an autonomous state shall be created for both the district, that is for Karbi Anglong and Dimahasau. So we should oppose and we should fight back to those people like Dr. Mumin, who gave a very bad comment, who gave a very sentimental remarks for the people of Karbi Anglong. So we, the APHLC, we don't accept the remarks or the statement that is given by Dr. Mumin, and this is a clear message for Dr. Mumin that you apologize within a short time. Otherwise, we are going to burn the effigy not only here in DONGMUKAK, but all over Karbi Anglong, all over the 26 constituencies. That's all.